Now we will use loopback address to change the router IDs of the routers in the topology. For router 1, we use interface loopback 0 and the address 10.1.1.1. And for R2, also using command interface loopback 0 and IP address 10.2.2.2 and also for router 3 interface loopback 0 and IP address 10.3 and 3.3 when we show IP SPF label to verify that the router IDs have changed. Okay, as we can see on this screen. And we have to save the configuration because when the new router ID is configured, it will not be used until the OSPF process is restarted. Make sure that the current configuration is saved to NVRAM. And then use the reload command to restart each of the routers. And also for router 3, you need to set the configuration and reload the router. When we show IP or SPF label to verify that the router IDs have changed, also for router 2, show IP or SPF label, and you can see the ID has changed. And now we will use the router ID command to change the router ID on the R1 router. Figure router or SPF1 and router ID 10.4.4.4. We need to clear IP or SPF because the new router ID is used at the next reload or at manual or SPF process restart. And now for router 2, use show IP or SPF label command to verify that the router ID of R1 has been changed. And on router 1, remove the configured router ID with the no form of the router ID command. Just type no router ID and restart the SPF process using the clear IP or SPF process command. Now we have to verify our SPF operation. On router 1, use the show IP or SPF label to view the information about the OSPF label routers R2 and R3. We should able to see that label ID and IP address of each adjacent router and the interface that R1 used to reach that OSPF label.